Just making a quick video on the 2005 Chevy Silverado 1500 transmission dipstick. Getting it back in. I couldn't find any information on how to get it in there. Down there you can see the hole on the transmission. It's got to go in there. Just wanted to show you the placement. It should be on those side, the passenger side of the heater core hoses. I had them on the other side of the heater core hoses and I couldn't get it all the way down, so I figured that out and loosen the nut on the back of the bell housing bolt right there. It's a 13 millimeter. I just take it off and then I'm able to just wiggle it around until until it goes right in. Then it pops in, and try to get the bracket lined up. Sometimes it's difficult to get the bracket onto the bolt at the same time. There it is. It's over the threads on the bolt, and now you just push in, and there you go. Put your nut back on, and you're good to go. Hope this helps somebody.